We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the Adidas Alliance Sackpack, a lightweight small gym bag designed primarily for women, but suitable for anyone seeking a versatile and durable drawstring backpack. This bag stands out for its classic design, practicality, and quality construction, making it a popular choice for gym goers, athletes, and casual users alike. The Adidas Alliance Sackpack measures approximately 6 by 6 by 1 inches and weighs just 7.4 ounces, which makes it extremely lightweight and easy to carry. Its capacity of 20 liters offers ample space for essentials without being bulky. The bag is crafted from a thick, sturdy material that users have praised for its durability and resistance to wear and tear. Many users report having used this bag for years without any significant signs of damage, indicating that it is built to last. The material is not thin or flimsy like some other drawstring bags, which often leads to early breakage. This quality makes the Adidas Alliance Sackpack a reliable companion for various activities, from gym sessions and sports practices to hiking and everyday errands. One of the key features of this bag is its convenient storage options. It includes a zippered exterior pocket that is perfect for securing small items such as keys, wallets, or phones. This pocket ensures that essentials are easily accessible yet safely stored. Additionally, the bag is equipped with dual mesh bottle pockets on the outside, allowing users to carry water bottles or other beverages conveniently. This feature is especially appreciated during workouts or team sports where staying hydrated is crucial. The drawstring closure system with durable cording straps offers quick and hassle-free access to the bag's main compartment. The cords are thick and concealed internally, giving the bag a clean and polished look. Users have noted that the drawstrings are strong and comfortable, avoiding the common issue of thin cords digging into the shoulders. However, some have mentioned that the thickness of the material around the drawstring can make it a bit challenging to pull tight initially, though this tends to improve with use. The bag's multifunctional design allows it to be used not only as a sports bag, but also as extra storage for shoes, clothes, or other items. Its compact size and lightweight nature make it an excellent choice for carrying just what you need without unnecessary bulk. Several users have highlighted the bag's versatility, using it for patient care outings, casual beach trips, hiking, and even conferences where it served as a handy carry-all for water bottles, snacks, and personal items. While the Adidas Alliance Sackpack excels in many areas, there are a few minor drawbacks noted by users. Some have wished for an additional small internal pocket to organize tiny essentials like money, cards, or tissues, which the bag currently lacks. Another common comment relates to the shoulder straps occasionally becoming asymmetric, requiring users to reset the length by pulling the inner side of the cords. This is a minor inconvenience, but worth noting for those who prefer perfectly balanced straps at all times. The bag's aesthetic appeal is another strong point. The black gold metallic colorway is stylish and suitable for various settings, from the gym to casual outings. The clean design with concealed cords adds to its visual appeal, making it more than just a functional item, but also a fashionable accessory. In terms of value, the Adidas Alliance Sackpack is considered an excellent buy. Priced affordably, it offers quality and durability that often surpass bags costing significantly more. Users have expressed satisfaction with the bag's performance relative to its cost, highlighting it as a smart purchase for anyone needing a reliable drawstring backpack. Overall, the Adidas Alliance Sackpack is a well-rounded product that combines durability, functionality, and style. It is lightweight, yet sturdy, with thoughtful features like external bottle pockets and a secure zippered compartment. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of activities, and its quality construction ensures it will withstand regular use over time. If you own this bag, consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to purchase is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This bag is highly recommended for those seeking a dependable, stylish, and practical drawstring gym bag.